everyone and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kashmiri kitchen. Now that our new kitchen is ready, we are starting off our recipes again, and for the family I'm making a special meal for the holidays, and it's lamb steam roast. So here I've got 3 lamb shoulders cut into big pieces from the butcher. You can have any meat part if you want, neck, leg, but I chose shoulder because my family likes that. So this is the recipe. Got some lemon juice, yogurt, chili powder, crushed chili, black pepper, ajwain seeds, and tandoori masala, and just some salt to taste. I'm putting yogurt first, 3 spoons, and to get a better taste you have to marinate this one night before. So I'm cooking this tomorrow, but putting the marinade on today. Just get a spoon. I'm putting 2 spoons of all the spices because this is a large amount, 3 kilos of lamb shoulder. Tandoori masala has salt in it as well, so don't want it too salty. Ajwain seeds is 1 spoon, so that would be too much for 2 spoons. Chili powder, I'll put 2 spoons. And last ingredient is black pepper. Adding some lemon juice to this to make it a bit thinner. So make this into a nice paste. I'm going to cover the lamb pieces one by one because it'll be easier like that because they're quite big, instead of putting all of them in the bowl. So I'll just do that now, cover 1 piece each. So I've put all the marinade on like this on all the pieces separately, and I'm going to put them in the fridge overnight so it goes nice and spicy till the morning. Then we will cook it and show you the rest technique of how we're going to make it. I didn't show these in the ingredients because you don't have to use them if you can leave them, but I'm just using a bit of garlic granules, onion granules and thyme just to give the lamb an extra flavour. So it's just like a sprinkle of all of them. See that I've cooked more than half of them. I put about 5 or 6 pieces in the karai. You have to have like about 1 bottle of vegetable oil in there, and it has to be very hot. So you don't fry this for too long. This is the look you need, like golden brown. And I've got a pressure cooker for steaming them. You can just use a normal steamer as well. So it's 20 minutes you need to fry these. Just turn them around until they're nice brown colour. But because obviously these are big pieces, don't put like too many together. 4 or 5 pieces in one go is fine. This has been frying for 20 minutes now, and I'm just going to lower the heat and take them out. So I'm going to put the last pieces in now. You can see that's the kind of colour you need, golden brown, and it's about halfway cooked, but not fully cooked because we're going to put it for steaming in the pressure cooker. A lot of people make roast in the oven, we do as well, but this is just something different because steam roasting, making lamb is very nice. It is very nice and soft and it doesn't go dry. I'm putting the last marinated pieces in to fry now. So this is our dining table that we put in our kitchen, and because it's our first day together as a family that we're having a meal, my daughter-in-law just decorated this beautifully because I always tell them that family is important, and mashallah, they're very loving daughter-in-laws, so I'm blessed with that. So my daughter-in-law's done this beautiful decoration for us. As you can see in the back, the kitchen isn't fully done. That's because some of the tiles that we ordered and the door is not in stock yet. So we're waiting until January and having it painted. But still, most of the drawers and dining table and everything is finished. We just need to have some paint done. So I've cooked all of these now and they're fried. And this is a pressure cooker that has a steam cooker in it, like the colander, but if you don't have one of those, you can use a steamer. So normally if you just got a steamer, because lamb is a bit tough, you need to put it about 45 minutes or 1.5 hours. Check it after an hour to see if the lamb is soft. I'm going to do it an hour in the steam cooker, in the pressure cooker, because my pieces were quite big. So I'm just opening the cooker now and showing you how beautifully it's done. This was left on for 1 hour and it's actually falling off the bone really nice and soft. So I'm taking them out now, the pieces. So here's my special dinner for my family, steamed lamb and all the side dishes as well.